I've been in this field for almost 20 years now, and I've been in the training for about 15 years, and over the course I have done various qualifications, Microsoft, Cisco, BMA, Citrix, AWS, to name the few. What I always try to do in my class is that not only just teach the subject based on the courseware as well as for the exam, but also provide you additional information related to the real life. And I value interaction with my students, so please do ask me during the class if I'm going to be your trainer, and then want to have a discussion with you, and because I believe such an interaction is a valuable part of interactive training. That's something you can't get from online training. Right, at eCareers we offer variety of IT courses, from beginner's course to the expert or more specialized IT courses. So depending on your experience, we have IT courses covered for you. All right. However, as you might know, this industry changes so often, so our offering will continuously change depending on the demand of the industry. So we always have a close eye on the industry demand, and based on that, we'll update our offering. So my recommendation is keep an eye on the newsletter and the website to look for the latest offering. Alright, so this program is best suited to someone who wants to start career in IT or in this technology field. I always recommend to people who want to start career in IT is to start as IT technician, because as IT technician you'll be able to get involved in a different part of the IT. You can see many parts of the IT, then decide which field that you want to specialize into, because until you start you'll never know what you like, what interests you. You might be interested in cloud, maybe networking, or even security, development of DevOps, but you don't know until you join. So anyone who wants to start career in any field of IT or technology, this course is suitable for you. Right, so IT Technician Career Academy program, you'll be taught by experienced trainers. When I say experienced trainers, the trainers who not only experience in training, but also they have experience in the real life industry, so that you'll be taught with a valuable experience that you can't find in any study material or online training. On top of that, you can always interact with the trainer and other students. That's a valuable part of classroom, whether that is virtual or physical classroom-based training. And also, we do have outside class support by the subject matter expert. So if you have any doubt, queries or questions, you can always ask subject matter expert, and then they can support you throughout the journey. On top of that, we do have many businesses that we work with who are willing to take our students as work experience. From there, you'll be able to gain industry experience that you can write down in your CV. And those offerings you can't find it anywhere else, but only from the eCareers.